Hello everyone, today we'll be looking on how to monetize your BuddyPress powered community without disrupting the user experience. BuddyPress Ads is your go-to plugin for placing advertisement across your BuddyPress site. Whether you're running a social network or an online forum or a niche community, this plugin helps you generate revenue while maintaining a seamless design and layout. So with BuddyPress ads, you can display banner ads, custom promotions, or affiliate content in various areas of the community site, and all without writing a single line of code. So in this tutorial, I will be going over the installation of the plugin, some features and customization options available in it. So to start, I've created a temporary site using TasteWP, and as you can see here, I've already added a theme and I've added some plugins beforehand. So we were using BuddyPress default data to import and create some user activity, some users and profile data for our test site. So as you can see here, in group activities, you can see here I have some activity generated. This is demo. Now you need to have BuddyPress beforehand. It's activated. Now I will be activating BuddyPress ads. Simply activate. You will be taken to the simple UI for the plugin, and you can use all the documentation and support center if you have any doubts. But the settings all are in this tabs. You can see due to all ads. Now I have created a just remove this one. Okay, so I will be creating a new ad. Simply click on new ads, add a title for the ad. So let's say I am promoting a TV, and I will just having the ad image in this. I can choose an image. So let's take this banner, insert this media. Okay, now we can set the width and height. So you need to adjust this according to your image. So let be 600 to 100. You can choose the layout. So I want it centered with no text at the sides. So I will click this also, and you can define the margin you want. Now places I want this ad to be placed, I would like this site-wide, and then group activities and member activities. So this ad will be seen everywhere. You can choose where this would be positioned. So I could have this after activity entry comments, before activity enters. So I will choose this one. And I can also choose the position after like every entry where my ad will be placed. Like right now it's 3, that's okay. Okay, so we can also have this this ad will be can be repeated. So like after 3 and the ad will be there, then after 3 more entries the ad will be there. So that can be this be one time right now. And you can also choose the ad will be displayed to which type of user, logged in or logged out. And we can also choose on which devices this will be seen. So like if a person is using mobile and you are on a community, you can choose okay, only mobile users or desktop users can view this. So let me just publish. Okay, the post is published. Let me check the activity. Okay, 1, 2. Here you go. Okay, the ad is nowhere after this. Let me update this and see if the ad comes after all the entries. Update if it repeats. Sorry. Okay, updated. Refresh. 2. Okay, so that's how the ad will be placed. We have several more options. like let me create another ad. Okay, so we can have any ad using network, Amazon, or customized AdSense codes or short codes, or code like JavaScript and HTML. And the shortcode will be found here at the right hand side. So you can simply copy paste this and input into your code if you want. And you can also input the code here if you are drafting a, creating an ad. And then include the shortcode here. You can have the alignment using this side and the same settings, or I can choose the second option, that is a full content editor from the WordPress with all the features like shortcodes, images upload, styling, but simple, simple HTML mode for script will be there. So here I will just be writing, and you can add the parameter. Let me add the media first, insert into post. So now we can have that. Let me see. Okay. You can select the background color, the text color, let it be pink here. Okay. So that is fine. Center, left, right alignment we can choose. And that's there. And I can publish this one. Let's see if it shows. Okay, what did I? Okay, I didn't choose a type of activity. It will be displayed. It will be site-wide. Group activity is also member activity also. Update. Refresh. Okay, you can see here it shows that so it's not a very designed ad of course, but you can see how you can create ads for your community and monetize it. So the text is here, the alignment is here, so it's left aligned, and then the background is here. So that's how you can create ads. So to summarize some of the key features we saw of this BuddyPress Ads plugin, let me summarize that. So you can place multiple multiple ads with different type of placement options that are available, and then you can also use a widget or shortcode support that is provided. So basically this, and then you can also schedule ads. That's also available option. Then you can schedule the ads by basically going to publish and edit. You can schedule them. Then you can have custom image and link support, and then also you can have only admin access and control. So there's like only site admins can manage and update and remove ads, ensuring that full control over the what gets displayed on the community site is only the admin. Then the user interface is pretty straightforward. There are not tons of tons of settings and all, but you can be straightforward and choose, like you can disable and enable ad by click of a button, or you choose where you want to display your ad by taking the shortcode. So it's very straightforward here. So let me wrap up by saying that BuddyPress Ads by Wbcom Design is a lightweight yet powerful tool that enables non-intrusive monetization of your BuddyPress site. So whether you're offering ad spaces to sponsors or promoting your own product, this plugin helps you do it very seamlessly while keeping your community experience intact. So thank you.